changes you see, you observe in your child after this implementation?
जैसे कि श्रीलक्ष्मी बहुत अच्छी मतलब स्टूडेंट है, तो आपको कुछ मतलब चेंजेस दिखते हैं उनमें जब भी वो घर पे आती है तो
The school has taken their students into the STEAM Robotics, and because she must be going to home after, and she speaks to you that today we have this thing, PD pen or robotics, we have made this circuit. So what do you feel about the changes you are observing in your child? Just technology is the future. We are talking about 3D printing, we are talking about drones, we are talking about AI based robots. Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am. You are saying.
हाँ वो बोलती है कि मुझे आज ये सिखाया, वो लैपटॉप खोल के दिखाती है कि कैसे ऐसे बनाना सिखाया है, तो अच्छा लगता है कि नया कुछ सीख रहे हैं बच्चे कि स्कूल का सब्जेक्ट के अलग कुछ सीख रहे हैं कि वो फ्यूचर में उनको काम आ जाएगा, तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
It's a very good initiative because what I look from a perspective is that this particular initiative is evoking curiosity in our child, and the child is very curious to understand what are the things which are being as per the new technology, and whatever this new technology has been coming, like this will be coming forward, but our child should also start understanding a little bit of it. But these things are invoking curiosity, and they want to learn the new things, what are happening in the new technology, and the best part is they are ready to accept it. Yeah. That is the most thing, and thanks to you guys that you guys are supporting us and bring down the learning in such a way that these guys will be able to understand and start using it.